Alright, is it filming? Alright, so I'm not 100% happy with that piece, mainly because my goal was sort of to finish all the yarn I had, and I wanted to try a big piece, so that's my first big piece. I kind of like it, but my choice of colors could be better. Yeah, I think it would be better with less colors. That's really a lot. So yeah, that's maybe a little bit too much. Same on this side. That's basically like each one is kind of like one roll of yarn. So yeah, I didn't know it would take so much, like such a big quantity of wool, of yarn to do this. So yeah, that required basically a lot of different colors due to like logistics, I would say, because I can't stock like 1,000 different colors at home. So yeah, I think that for my next big pieces I would try to keep things a bit more minimalistic. I mean, I still kind of like it, and it's fulfilling its purpose to be on the door and to sort of isolate with the other room, especially with the cord, because that was just glass behind this. So not really good in terms of isolation. So yeah, it's better that way. So yeah, hopefully more big pieces in the future, and I will see you in the next video.